Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to learn how to completely fix the issue where your Wi-Fi is not connecting to Firestick. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Firestick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So you fix Wi-Fi not connecting to Firestick. If you follow step by step in this video, there's a high probability that you get that problem solved. Now I'll show you two methods. The first method is going to be holding down the play pause button. So it's a button that has a play and pause. It's just above the volume button on the Fire Stick remote. Hold that button down alongside the left button on the navigation circle. So hold those two buttons down until you find a message saying Fire Stick is going to turn off now. So allow it to turn off and then turn on. And when it comes back to the home screen, your Wi-Fi should be working. If that does not fix it, we'll move to step 2. So the second fix we're going to do is also going to be on the remote, even though you can find a similar setting in the Fire TV settings, but it's going to be to reset to factory default. It's going to reset the Fire Stick. How do you do this? Just before I mention the second step, you can also restart the Fire Stick. That would help, and it goes hand in hand with step 1. But for step 2, if that step 1 does not work, you're going to press and hold the back key and the right key on the navigation circle. Press right on navigation circle and hold. Press the back key and hold. That will bring you to a screen saying reset Fire Stick. You want to click on yes and reset it. And note you're holding all of these buttons for 10 seconds. So the first option, hold for 10 seconds. This second method also, hold the buttons for 10 seconds. And at the end of that, you're going to be able to have your Wi-Fi working. But know that this second method is going to clear everything on the device, so you have it as if it was brand new and you start using it back from scratch. You're going to need to install everything, set up everything, but it should definitely solve the issue of Wi-Fi not connecting to Firestick. Now, hope that was useful. If it was, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already. This is DaveTech signing out.